Hi, Brayden, and hi, class. My name is Alexandra, and I'm going to go over your annotated bibliography. Um, well, first of all, please don't get mad whatever I say. Um, myself, the English is my second language, so I feel like everyone is better than me in this, and I'm quite struggling a little bit. Um, But, we're here to learn, so I hope, I'm gonna learn through obviously my mistakes, but then, seeing some things in your assignment, I also learn how to do better on my future ones. So, this is what I found, and again, forgive me if, um, I say something different than, you know, it's just my opinion. So, what I could see is that we're missing a page number with your last name. And then obviously use the MLA format, which is awesome. But like I don't see the centered uh, title of the assignment. Um, the couple mistakes that I found, I'm a little blind, so I have to go closer to the computer. Um, so a little comma um, after it investigates the science of dogs' ears and tails, I would put comma there because I do the same thing, but since Professor Allen said to use Grammarly, and I feel like if I would put this in Grammarly, it would put me a comma here. So I did that. And then again, forgive me, English is my second language again. Here in the second sentence, um, although I could not get a link to each of them, or if we could maybe put that of each of them. Um, Next, what I saw would be um, the sentence. There are a lot of references used, and they're cited throughout the review. I would say that that's a compound sentence, but I am myself still learning that. Just because they could be there is and between these two clauses. Um, the next one, that you label compound sentence, I would maybe say it's a compound complex. Um, but that one was still thinking about that one. And here I see two sentences, so I don't know if my computer adds something because sometimes it's just like doubles things, but I see like two same sentences. Um, sorry. And here you're missing a dot, a period on the end of your sentence. The first sentence in your graph, like the article helped me gain more knowledge about tail docking and ear cropping of dogs. You're missing a sentence there. I mean, a dot there. And then also the third sentence, um, the W should be capital at the beginning of sentence. Those are all small mistakes though that we all make in writing, but I feel, we're in college, so it should be perfect. And there's a little comma that I put here. Um, Sometimes does and then comma and other times does not affect. It's just like, you know, it's like two opinions. And I feel like Grammarly would put comma there. Um, and then I think I took comma from the article discussed and includes a keyword section. Um, Also, you have your works cited page. That's awesome. And inside, um, so yeah, that's it, I think. I think I told you everything. It's definitely an interesting subject. So good luck, and I hope it's going to be of use to you. I hope you're having a great day.